happened. He was like, what happened?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is something I'm doing to try and stay consistent. It's gonna be like a how-to video. So Hafiz bought show the box. He bought Griots, what does that say? Ceramic headlight restoration kit. And on the box it says it's 142% brighter after you restore your headlights. So we're gonna test out and see if that's true. So yeah, this is gonna be like a quick how-to video. We're gonna restore his very foggy headlights. I don't know if you can see this, the passenger side, it's the driver's side. But yeah, so anyone can do this. This kit was 30 bucks. You can get it at your local AutoZone or Advanced Auto. Video is not sponsored. Wish it was. But yeah, like I had no experience when I first did this, so I guess I just want to show the world that nothing is impossible.
Sir.
Yes, sir. All right, but yeah, I'm just gonna let him show you around the headlights, and then we'll get started with it. And yeah, not only am I teaching you guys, I'm also teaching him. So in the box, as you can see, it comes with these oxidation remover wipes that I'm pretty sure you use these at the end after you restore everything. Oxidation remover. Ignore my nails, they're very dirty. I just worked on Ollie's car.
Just they got these ceramic headlight coatings.
Oh no, ceramic headlight coating is what you use after when we're done. Oxidation remover, I'm pretty sure is what we use in the beginning, or like in the process. But other than that, it comes with 3 like sand disc pads, all different grits. One is 1,000. Oh, I guess there's 2 1,000s, and then 1 2,000, and then 1 3,000. And it also comes with like a hand. I don't know what this is called. It's basically like a sanding pad applicator that you can just Velcro onto that. But yeah, that's what the kit consists of, and there's like instructions here for how you do it and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna start off with cleaning it.
Let's do it.
Go. Ready, set, go. All right, per the instructions, the box says we use the oxidation wipes first. So we're gonna use it on the current state of the headlights. He's gonna wipe both down, and then after that we're gonna start wet sanding it, and then repeating that process over and over again. I'll walk you guys through that once we get to it, but for now we're just gonna wipe down the headlights with the oxidation remover.
Oxidation remover on the car. I'm not right.
Thank God.
Now you literally just wipe the headlight with it.
With this, ready?
I love how it's on your paint.
It'll be okay.
It's okay.
There we go. Look at it. It's already clean.
Oh yeah.
It's like already better.
It is.
We're already done.
We're done.
And that's it.
Thanks for watching. We'll do the next one tomorrow.
Corrosive.
Corrosive.
Paint is done. Yo, chill. This one.
It's fine, bro. Look, you do it on this.
Yeah, just buy a new hood, bro.
Buy a new hood.
Alright, next one.
Alright, guys. So we finished using the oxidation remover wipes, and now we're gonna start the wet sand process by going from the super coarse one, which is the 1,000 grit, and then moving up to the super fine, which is the 3,000 grit. So I don't think the instructions actually say anything for how many like passes you do on each headlight before you like move to a more fine sandpaper grit. But usually I do 10 on the 1,000, usually 6 to 7 on the 2,000, and 3,000 I do 5. And then if I need to do more, then I just keep going. But yeah, now I'm gonna just have him do it. Alright guys, so this is after 10 passes of the 1,000 grit, and it already looks very good. We still have to go with the 2000 and the 3000 grit, but yeah, now that we're done with the 1000, we're gonna switch off to the 2000 grit sanding disc. And normally, if you actually care about your car, you would put tape here and everywhere, but he doesn't really care about this car. So same thing with like Ali's car. It's not that deep for us, so we're not using tape. And I also forgot tape, so yeah, it's pretty much it. It's really not hard. You just got to put in elbow grease and work, and you pretty much have brand new headlights. For anyone who wants to do this at home, or their car is just getting old and the oxidation is going crazy, you don't need to be like a detailer to do this stuff. It's really simple. Just follow the instructions and you got to put in the elbow grease. So I'll let him get back to it and then show you guys the progress after the 2000 grit sanding process is done. Alright guys, he just did 10 rounds of the 2000 grit. You probably don't need to do as many rounds, but his headlights were like completely yellow and you couldn't see through them. So the more the better. Better safe than sorry. We don't want to do this again. So it looks really good. Like, it's no longer even yellow, and we still have the 3000 grit to do. Like here, this is the driver's side, and this isn't even final product yet. And then that's the passenger side. Like, it's literally a night and day difference. That one's yellow, that one's clear. So yeah, we're just gonna get to the 3K grit and then put the ceramic coating wipe on it afterwards, and then we'll be done and dusted. So yeah. All right guys, Hafi's finally finished doing the 3000 grit passes, and as you can see, it's no longer yellow compared to the passenger side, but it's still a bit hazy, but it's supposed to be like that. So that's what the ceramic coating wipes are for, because we basically took off all the grime, oxidation, everything that's been built up over the past like 15 years that he's had this car, and we stripped it all down. So now it's just the bare plastic, and then we finish it off with the ceramic coating wipes, and it should look brand new again. So yeah, I'm just gonna have him do that, and then I'll show you guys the end result.
It doesn't make any sense.
That's crazy.
It's the hardest thing.
That's what you call f***ing miss.
Dang, bro.
Alright, so as you guys can see, Javi's just finished wiping it with the ceramic coating wipes. Essentially, that is the final layer of protection that this has, because we just sanded it down to bare plastic, and the finish is night and day, especially when you compare it to the passenger side, which only has the oxidation wipes on it. Obviously, these aren't as hazy because we just wiped them down, but it's still yellow and very oxidized compared to this one, which looks basically brand new. So yeah, we're gonna get started on the passenger side now, but I'd say the finish is 10 out of 10 for the amount of money we paid for this kit. Guys, as you can see, Hafi's just finished the passenger side. We did a total of 35 passes on this because it was a lot more yellow and oxidized, but as you can see, difference is night and day. Like, it looks like he actually just bought brand new headlights. It looks so crazy. Oh man.
All right, guys, peep the new headlights. Just worked on this for an hour. It's crazy. Look at the difference. If you guys are gonna see what it's gonna look like before, but this is insane. Trust me, my forearms are so tired. We're just gonna go like, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I'm telling you. Just grab that kit, $30. You're all done. No need to get
experience doing this.
no experience. First time. And the first time I watched Izar do it, it looked pretty easy. So I was like, let me do it myself, and it's crazy. But yeah, looking forward for 142% brightness. It's gonna be lit. Look at this.
Like obviously, like there's still oxidation on the inside, but compared to what it used to be, like it's actually visibility is 142% increased.
It's not a lot.
142%.
142%. Literally. Not 100. 142. But yeah, I just made this video because it just goes to show that anyone can do this. You literally just go to AutoZone, be willing to put in the work, and then you have an end result as if you just bought brand new set of headlights. So yeah, I'm really trying to stay consistent. That's like the only reason I made this video, because I've been on the weekly upload for 8 weeks straight now, so really trying to keep going at it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a quick little how-to for like anyone who's afraid to tackle something like this on their car because they might scratch their paint or something. But it just gives it a little nice refresh for the front end, because these are the eyes on the road, and now it can see 142% better. So special thanks to Griots for, well, I don't know why I'm saying that. They didn't give this to me.
Sponsor us.
No, but shout out to Griots because the kit is better than the Meguiar's kit. Because I used to use the Meguiar's kit, and like obviously, like if anyone wants to roast me in the comments, there is like a manual way to do this. If you're a detailer and you have experience doing it, you just get really coarse sandpaper and just keep going at it, and then at the end you either when you put the clear coat on the headlight, you can PPF it after, and it looks a lot better than this. But this is for people who don't have that experience and like the tools for that. So yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed this video with me, Habis, Riku, Alif, and Mustafa. They're not here right now, they went home. But just stay tuned for more. I got a lot of stuff in the works. My car should be done in a few, but anyways, that's it for today's video. We're gonna be checking out. Don't forget, nothing is impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.